Heavy rains in Al Ain? In the middle of UAE's summer heat? Let's take a look. On August 3, Al Ain saw intense rainfall in Ghafa. Strong winds swayed trees, with videos showing stormy skies and soaked roads. The gusts and heavy showers created tough driving conditions for residents. Meanwhile, other parts of the UAE baked under extreme heat, up to 51.8 degrees in Sweihan on August 1. This hot phase of summer is expected to last till August 10. Experts say it's normal this time of year, caused by low-pressure systems, Arabian Sea moisture, and the northward shift of the Intertropical Convergence Zone. Unstable weather might continue on and off till mid-August. Stay safe, stay updated, and hit follow for more UAE weather.